What up, y'all? We back with another video. It's your boy Zay, and today, bruh, we about to go ahead do a quick little oil change. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab these supplies. All right. So the other day, bruh, Harbor Freight is some ghosts. I went to Harbor Freight and I got these right here. I need some of these because my daggone sockets, bruh, because I gotta do an oil change on somebody else's car. They got a Civic too. Well, I already knew this, but the sockets I got, bro, they like too long. So when I put them up there and I'm about to use the impact wrench, it won't fit. I mean, it'll fit up. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, go ahead, grab the oil. I'm gonna show y'all the socket real quick. Dang, why I put it in? Bruh. Go ahead, get the funnels out. Also, when I went to Harbor Freight, y'all, I went ahead and got this too. Cause I needed somewhere to put the oil, bro. The last time I did an oil change, actually, I'm about to show y'all where the oil is at. I just got a regular oil pan, right? And bro, it's still right here, bro. Whole time, bro. I didn't know that you couldn't dispose of oil, bro. I don't know. I never did oil change before, bro. How was I supposed to know that, y'all? Chill. Jeez. All right, but yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of the tools. So we can go ahead, get our impact wrench. We need that. The battery's good. Hope it don't die on me like my daggone impact driver in one of them last videos. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the jack stands. Get these out. Go ahead and get the jack. Y'all know how much I hate jacking up the car, bro, but it has to be done. I'm telling y'all, bro, y'all should learn how to do your own oil change. Yeah, save money. Cause like, I be going to Take 5 because a lot of places I go, they be like, your car's too low for me to lift it. We don't want to mess it up and this, that, and the third, so they don't do it. So I just go to Take 5 so I can just ride through there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't have to jack up the car, extend the car, and they do it. But that cost me like $80, bro. What you can do is, you can buy your own oil for like $20. You can get a daggone, what's it called, oil filter, and get that for like around $10. And then if you already have a jack, funnels, somewhere to put your oil pan, I mean your oil at in the oil pan or something like that, then bro, just look at how much money you save, bro. But yeah, at first, if you don't have that, you have to buy it, and then it's gonna run up to the same thing. But you gotta think about it in the future. Like over time, you'll be spending less and less money instead of more money, and you don't know how to do it by yourself. So yeah, bro, that's enough rambling. We've been talking about like 2 minutes now. Let's go ahead and get started, bro. So first things first, I don't know what the freak that was. First things first, we're gonna go ahead, take this jack and jack up the car. So before we do that, since my car is low, I have to turn the wheel. So let's get that done. Jesus, it's hot in here, y'all. Turn the wheel. I'm also gonna film another video for y'all today, bro. Y'all gonna see what it is. If you I'm about to say subscribe to my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, you know what I done did to my wheels, bro. It's really nasty. I'm not gonna show y'all here because I'm gonna do a video on that later. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started jacking up this car, bro. So I forgot to gather these tools earlier. But what else you're gonna need is a flathead and then a little small screwdriver. So let me show you how we're about to use that for. The first thing we're gonna combat is these screws right here. Dang, can't tell. These screws right here. There should be one right there. And then one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and take those off. Then the next thing we're gonna do is take off these clips right here. Bro, you really can't make this up, bro. It's the only clip that don't want to come out, bro. I got all the others out. All right, y'all. So I finally got the skid plate off, bro. It's right there. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna position it under there. And this is the daggone socket I was talking about, y'all. Deep impact socket. Couldn't find it, but now I got it. We're gonna take this under there. We're gonna undo the drain plug, and all of it should go under here. It's probably gonna leave a mess. Like if you're doing this your first time, it's probably gonna leave a mess under there. But don't worry about that. You can rinse that off. right, so what you're gonna use is a 17mm socket. We got our wobbly socket up there. Hopefully it's fit, it's not too big. Let's get to work. All right, so this right here is your oil filter. And this is your oil drain plug. This is the one you unbolt right here. And it should go right into there smoothly. So yeah, today, I'm not gonna change the filter because I promise y'all, I just did this oil change last month, bro. And when I went to Florida, I didn't even drive the car for a whole week. So it's like, no way. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to doing this. Starting to just drip right now, so most of it's already in there. Well, it wasn't that much oil in there. It was only, my oil life was on 10%, y'all. So we're gonna let that finish draining, put the drain plug back up there, make sure it's tightened, and then what we're gonna do is add some oil. You see all the oil's in there. It's not dripping no more than nothing. I know y'all see that loose hanging wire, bro. We'll address that on another day. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the drain plug back on, then we're gonna hit up here and add some oil, my boy. All right, so just so I can remember, I went ahead and looked up how much oil my Civic takes. I have a 2016 Civic. It's a 1.5 liter EXL, 3.7 quarts of oil, bro. Let's go ahead and open this hood. Go ahead and take this off right here. And of course, before you do all of this, you want to let the car cool down. I don't want to burn yourself, even with gloves. Well, some gloves are better heat resistant than others. But even with gloves, you want to make sure it's not hot, bro. You don't want to burn yourself. So here's the oil right here. Got this Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic. Thank you. This is 5 quarts. So what I got here is my daggone measuring cup now. Get a clean funnel, you know what I'm saying? None on the inside. I want to have mixed contaminants up in there. So I take my half a quart. So obviously the last step will be to reset the oil life on the inside of the car. My bad, y'all. I was thinking about something. But reset the oil life on my car. I'm gonna put the skid plate on and all that later, bro. Cause I got other stuff to do. But I'm gonna go ahead. All you gotta do, turn on the car. I'm not gonna turn it on all the way. I'm just gonna put it on accessory mode. What we'll do is we're gonna go to settings. Then we're gonna go to vehicle, maintenance info.
Depo on the beat.
Select reset items. And then engine. And that's that. This was a video with your boy Zay. I appreciate y'all for watching. It's not really a tutorial because I didn't show y'all everything like I wanted to because it's hot out here, bro. But this was an oil change with your boy Zay. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, bro. It's linked in the description below. And I'm out.